Wi-Fi calling lets you make calls over a Wi-Fi network instead of cellular, improving coverage especially indoors. First, ensure your phone is compatible. Most modern smartphones are. On iPhones, go to Settings, Cellular, Wi-Fi calling. Toggle the feature on and follow prompts for verification, which might include entering a PIN. On Android, it's typically under Settings, Network and Internet, Wi-Fi calling. Toggle the feature on and follow prompts for verification, which might include entering a PIN. Now calls will be made over Wi-Fi when available. E911 is essential for Wi-Fi calling safety. Register your address with Consumer Cellular to ensure accurate location sharing during emergencies. Test by calling 911 from a Wi-Fi-only area. Use a dual-band router with QoS enabled to prioritize voice traffic. Consumer Cellular recommends Wi-Fi calling-ready certified routers. Avoid public Wi-Fi due to security risks. Use secure home networks. Always update your router's firmware for best performance.